Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this kind of like collection of calendar because it's just one calendar for sure. But if you think that this is gonna be just this tiny, I mean, think twice because this thing is actually pretty massive, I have to say. So you have the whole. This is just insane. You have the whole year this way, just like vertical, or you have the whole year here horizontal. So this thing is 34 by 23, so it's pretty big, and you can see that it has some kind of a, it is a little bit of a laminated, I think so, I want to say, because this is a dry erase one. So you can actually use the markers right here, the erasable markers, of course, not the permanent ones, and use this one right here to wipe it out. Or you can use a kind of like a whipping cloth. Sure, you can also do that because this is waterproof, so you can clean it that way. And the other good thing about this one is that it comes with this. I still need to decide when I'm going to put this because it's actually pretty big, but it comes with this to put it in the back, and it has like a double-sided tape so you can put it against like, for example, like a fridge. Not a fridge because this one is actually pretty big, but you can put it against the wall, you can put it against wood, you can put it against furniture or something like that. And of course, have this just like, yeah, with the convenience to have the whole year arranged over here vertically or horizontally as well. I think the vertical one, I mean, I like it a little bit more, I think so, the vertical one. But then let me show you some. So as I was telling you before, a dry erase. So you can see that I can do that right there. And then I do this and it's all gone. The best thing with this one is going to be to use I want to say something with some cleaning formula, because I mean, it's not that it's going to get marked, but you gotta get, you need to do like a more effort to actually wipe it. So one of those one with a cleaning formula is going to be much better. But yeah, this is, I mean, actually pretty good. 34 by 23, the whole 2025 year plan right here. You can erase it. You have the holidays, you have the weekends, you have the special days, and of course you have the vertical and the horizontal one as well. I like it. This is going to be in my office, I think so. Thanks for watching and see you soon.